Thank you. One more.
Again.
What?
What's that?
What's what?
What do you think it is? What do you think it is?
What's an owl?
What makes an owl sound? Is there anybody here who makes an owl sound?
A lion.
No,
No.
not me.
Who else might make an owl sound?
You got me a freaking idea, Mom.
Can't remember.
Go get the helicopter. Go run. Quick.
No.
Just, yeah.
She can't even curl her tongue. She can't make an owl noise.
There it is again.
Come big boy. Run.
Making like a dying cat noise, man. Making a new noise. Yeah, what is that? 3. That's all of them. Good job. High five. Nice. He's got the 80s dude going with his hair pointed in the
Freaked
middle.
out. I thought he might have lice. Remember when he was itching his
He was doing it again recently because we'd gone to the beach and he
I
had
just saw him
sand in his
touch his
hair.
head, and I'm like, don't